Alright. This is Friday the 13th. We, for Tech Den, we did cloud computing, AWS, and we did 3D modeling in Blender. Alright. This is finishing up week number 12. We have 3 weeks left. Time to buckle down and finish well. Introduction to computers and information systems. We're going to start information systems on Monday. So we finished up security, the basics. We talked about tracking people by their addresses, tried to clarify that. Service providers. Talked a little bit about wireless security. I did a little bit on Wireshark, and I asked students what other topics they interested in. Talked about hacking, how, a little bit about types. People don't hack just by guessing passwords. There's other ways. Vulnerability in software, physically being able to get access to the machines, and what do? We talked a little bit about that. Okay. Unit 6, need to finish the outline, take the assessment. Talk a little bit about cybersecurity. That this will be an area that's going to be popular for years to come. You know, it's in the whole supply chain. You know, this company makes products for this company that makes products for this company. This has to be secured, so then the whole chain has to be secured. Anything dealing with financial, talk about the security there. Alright. ISU will have a whole degree like computer science and cybersecurity in the fall of 2019. So then we reviewed how these things happen. We talk about starting at home, and then how does your home device manage being able to find these different devices in your house. Okay, so we talked about the public IP and NAT, and so you get a physical, a logical address, a private IP, and each device is identified with their media access control, their physical address, and then they get a logical address from DHCP. Then that's tied in with a public address using network address translation, and then they give it a port number, and then it traverses through the internet. So really, if Russia or somebody's looking at it in the internet, closest they can get is they can figure out which ISP it came from. Now, if you don't want your ISP or people to read that information, you can get a virtual private network. Yes, so that you turn on the encryption here, it sends you to your VPN provider and then goes out to the internet. That way everything is always encrypted from your device, which then you could be at a coffee shop and you could use your VPN to check some YouTube videos, so that in reality goes here and then it goes there. Because when you create a VPN, you have to have some connection you can connect with, and then they secure it when it goes out on the internet. So your provider here, everything's encrypted when it leaves your device. We also talked about YouTube. The students looked up about 300 hours a minute is uploaded to YouTube. Uploaded, okay, to YouTube. So they have to use something other than humans to view videos and look for certain things, and then of course ban them. Alright, a couple other things. We talked about how do you get to YouTube from your phone. Most students said they have an app, or you could use a browser. It uses a domain name, which is converted using DNS to a public IP, and then that's what's used to go through the internet. You should always be aware of whether your traffic's being encrypted or not. The S stands for secured. Currently working on the assignment. There are a number of small videos. There are quite a few, and so they're all like, 5 to 12 minutes, and so there's like 6 or 7, so it's almost an hour of videos. But you watch some introduction videos, and then you actually watch a video, do some work, watch a video, do some work. So you can do the first assignment. The assignment has a solution also there, so you can look at the solution also to help you work through that. I changed the due date on that. It's actually the 18th. Then individually at the project and the skills base. And we're going to take this as an individual. That will not be done in groups. Then we have a day of coding and data analytics, and then we finish things up. Okay, the last 3 weeks coming up. That is it.